In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the incredibly frustrating Steam game no license found error. This is a common issue that many PC gamers run into, often right after purchasing a new title or following a major software update. It can be incredibly disheartening to sit down for a gaming session only to find that your digital library is giving you an error message instead of letting you play. This error usually occurs because of an authentication handshake failure between your local Steam client and the remote servers, or sometimes it's simply a glitch in the local cache files. If this video helps you get back into your favorite games, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these troubleshooting guides. Let's get started with the first and most effective methods to resolve this problem once and for all. First, we need to address the most common culprit, which is a refreshed session requirement. Go ahead and close out of any game windows you might have open and navigate back to your main Steam client interface. Even if you think you are already logged in, the first step is to manually log out of your account. Click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Log Out. Once you have done that, go a step further by fully exiting the Steam application. Don't just click the X. Go to the Steam menu in the top left and select Exit to ensure all background processes are terminated. After waiting a few seconds, relaunch the Steam client from your desktop or Start menu. You will be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter your username and password to log back in. This simple act of logging back in forces your computer to re-verify your entire game license library with the official Steam servers, which often clears any stuck license flags. Once the client has finished loading, go to your library tab. Look through your list and find the specific game that was giving you trouble. Before clicking play, just take a moment to verify that the game is indeed still showing up correctly in your account library and isn't grayed out in a way that suggests it was a temporary trial. If it looks normal, go ahead and try launching the game again. If you are still seeing the error, do not panic, as there are a few more deep cleaning steps we can take. Sometimes the Steam client's cache becomes corrupted, leading to these license verification failures. One of the best ways to combat this is to refresh the Steam files. You can also try clearing your download cache within the Steam settings. To do this, click on Steam in the top left, go to Settings, then click on the Downloads tab. In this menu, you will see an option that says Clear Download Cache. Clicking this will log you out again and restart Steam, but it clears up many underlying file errors that cause the no license found message. If the issue remains, it is also worth checking if your internet connection is stable or if a firewall is blocking Steam's ability to ping the license server. Make sure you haven't recently changed any VPN settings, as regional locks can sometimes trigger license errors if the server thinks you are trying to play a game from a restricted territory. Another thing to double check is your purchase history. If the game was a recent purchase, ensure that the transaction wasn't declined by your bank or put on a temporary hold. To do this, click your username, go to account details, and then click View Purchase History. If the game shows as completed, then the license is definitely yours, and the issue remains strictly with the software client on your PC. After checking your purchase history and clearing the cache, try one more time to launch the game from the library. In almost every case, the combination of a full logout and a cache refresh will sync your account permissions properly. It's always best to be patient during this process, as sometimes server-side issues on Steam's end can take a few minutes to resolve globally. By following these steps, you're ensuring that the local data on your machine matches what is on the server perfectly. Once you see the game starting up and the loading screen appears, you know the fix has worked. This method is the safest and most reliable way to handle digital rights management errors on the platform in 2026. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the Steam game no license found error and secured your access to your gaming library. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.